everybody! This week is Superhero Week at the library. There are Take Me crafts in the lobby while supplies last. We had an online story time and now we are going to make some super treats. As we continue Superhero Week at the library, we are going to make some superhero treats. First off, we are going to make Thor's hammers. You will need pretzel rods and a marshmallow. Now, sometimes people, look at this, easy peasy, stick. Sometimes people will get the gray spray paint or metallic spray paint for this, but it's really not necessary. But now you've got your very own Thor's hammer. Whoosh. Next up, this one's a little bit more in-depth, is a Hulk pudding cup. Now you can use pudding or you can use Jell-O if you want to use green Jell-O. We already have our pre-made pudding here, but first what we need to do is make our artwork. So the cups are gonna have this nice little face on it. Pro tip, don't use a thin tip marker. You're going to want to use a thicker Sharpie. So you need a clear plastic cup to draw the face on. Now, if you are, able to do freehand, go right ahead. If not, you can print out some and put them inside it to trace it. There's some different options depending on what kind of Hulk you want. I decided I wanted to go with Lego Hulk. So for Lego Hulk, pretty simple. I don't even need to trace that one. So you're gonna take your marker and you're going to draw on your face. Like I said, you have the ability to slip in as well and use a thicker instead of the super fine. In my opinion, it was easier to use. I tried both. Making this one really quick since you've already seen what it looks like. Lego guys are cute. But again, you can cut it out and slip it in and basically just trace it. I'm gonna give him a grrr face. His eyes need to be bigger. Grrr. So, this is my pre-made one right over here. Boop, boop, boop. Next up, we are going to mix the pudding. So this is vanilla pudding. You can buy instant or pre-made, however is easiest or to your liking. I have both green and yellow food coloring to add here. The yellow, just because Hulk is a little bit more neon than he is just green. So let's see what we come up with here. I'm gonna do one drop of yellow, see if what we need to add. Dot, dot, not a lot. We're gonna gently mix this. And mixing, mixing, mixing. Okay, I'm liking this color. It's not too light. That's my thing. I don't want them to be too light. Because that wouldn't be very Hulk-like. Oh no, cats can't eat these treats. That's Asher. He sees me playing with food and he wants right in there. Get the bottom there. Now, I'm gonna add this to the cup. And that is our Hulk face, yay! A little bit. Stir that up a little bit more. And last but not least for Hulk, all he needs added is his hair. This isn't for cats, even if you are a super kitty. No, Asher, no. Okay. Next, you'll need a package of Oreos. Oh no, I put it upside down. You are going to crush those Oreos and put them on top for Hulk's hair. And then there you go. You have your very own Hulk pudding cup. Grrr. Last up, we have Wonder Woman's Lasso of Truth. So you can buy these nifty yellow Twizzlers, and this one's super simple and super cute. You're gonna take your Twizzler, you're gonna make a knot, and voila, Lasso of Truth. That one's a little too tight. So here we are. We ended up with Thor's hammer, Hulk pudding cup, and Wonder Woman's Lasso of Truth. Have a super day, everybody.